melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. Now Thompson, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. So Thompson, elbows out, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. Thompson, elbows out, knees bent, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart to the King of Kings. So Thompson, elbows out, knees bent, feet apart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. Thompson, elbows out, knees bent, feet apart, turn around, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart unto the King of Kings. So Thompson, elbows out, knees bent, feet apart, turn around, tongues out, to the King of Kings, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart to the King of Kings.
Ayawekewa pole, ngoja. Huyo ni choleric. Mwalimu Mbata alisema ni wale wa haraka. So wanataka wawekewa bitu watembee pole waende nyuma. Wazazi tunaambiaje walimu wetu?